So, Greek philosopher Aristotle spoke about using magnets as healing therapy. He spoke that if you give magnets for treatment, magnets are going to prove to be um, as a healing therapy, which can heal the magnets, which can heal the disease of a person. Next is our Paracelsus. So Paracelsus is a very well known physician and economist in the field of science. So in the year 1493 in Switzerland, he said that illnesses are caused by the external substances, the concept of disease, and not bodily humors. So he said that the disease which is caused or is happening in a person is happening due to the external substances, that he named it as the concept of disease, and not the bodily humors, because bodily humors, uh, due to bodily humors imbalance, the diseases caused was being explained by the earlier scientists, and he was the one who explained about the external substances. So he recommended sulfur mercury to treat the disease and use of food and herbs. So yes, as he mentioned about the foods and herbs for treating the disease. So he even advocated magnets to energize and influence the body's life force to starting the healing process. Treating So he even advocated magnets to energize and influence the body's life force to starting the healing process, treating everything from inflammation to diarrhea to epilepsy. So Paracelsus used magnets and his recommended items like sulfur, mercury, and foods and herbs for treating the diseases. He treated every diseases starting from inflammation, the starting process of the disease, the inflammation, to diarrhea to epilepsy. He mainly gave the magnet treatment for the nervous system related disorders. Next is our Willem Gilbert. Willem Gilbert in the year 1600, he published one treatise on magnetism. He was also known as the physician to Queen Elizabeth I. So he is the treatise. He published first treatise on magnetism named as De Magnete, the book name. In his book, he showed that steel holds magnetic charge better than iron. He explained in the book that steel is having more power to hold the magnet than the uh, iron. So he explained this in his book, and he was the first. William Gilbert was the first scientist or the physician on the earth to discover that earth is a huge magnet with magnetic poles. That is, the south and north pole was being discovered by the William Gilbert, that the earth has these both the poles. Next is the Anton Mesmer. Anton Mesmer in the 18th century was a physician who had done the thesis on the effects of field in the gravitational field. He said that magnetic energy flows inside human body. He even said that our human body have magnetic poles, and diseases are caused due to these poles moving out of alignment. He was the one who explained about the poles of human beings, that north and south pole magnets are human bodies having north and south pole, the magnetic charges being flowing in the human body. And he even treated the seizures or epilepsy which is being caused in the body of humans, that was also being treated by Anton Mesmer by the use of magnets. He even claimed to treat the disease by his own touch. So this was about Anton Mesmer.